Hey there! Welcome to Miracle Web 3 TV. In today's video, you're going to learn how to use Veo 3 for free, step by step.
Alright guys, you're welcome back. So before we proceed to today's video, I quickly want to redirect you back to one of my videos on Google Gemini, because the registration you used to register on that one, that is the same registration, that is the same email you will use to log in this Google Flow. Okay, so you don't need to sign up again. You can use the same details, the same email to just sign in here. So if you have not watched that video, make sure you go and watch it and see how you can register for free. Okay, so the link to direct you to the video will be available around this video. Okay, so just click on it and go and watch that one and register. So when you have successfully registered and you have signed in, okay, you can now come back here and sign in with this video, with this website. The link of this particular website will also be available in the description of this video. Okay, so when you have successfully signed in, you will now have something like this. This is what you have. Okay, so when you scroll up, you click on create with flow. Okay, and it will direct you to this place. You click on get started. So you click on sign new project. So if you click on your name, you can see that I am using the same email. You see that you are giving 1000 AI credits, and this 1000 AI credits, you can use it to generate a lot of videos, up to over 50 videos you can use to generate per month. Okay, so you click on new projects. When you click on new project, it will direct you to a place like this. You also click on new project. Okay, when you click on it, it will direct you here, and you make sure that one is in text to video. Okay, so and if you click on these settings, you see that we have different settings. Number one, the quality of the video per prompt, so make sure it is in 1. Okay, so that it will not be generating, if you put it in 2, it will be generating 2 videos per prompt. So make sure it is in 1 so that you not waste the credits. If you click on that place, you will see that we have Veo 2. So that this one is the quality of the videos. If you click on Veo 3, it will deduct 20 credits per video. If you click on Veo 2 quality, it will deduct like 100 credits, and the last one will also deduct 100 credits. But we are going to be going for Veo 3, which it is plus audio. It will generate audio with it, and it's still very okay. So they will be deducting 20 credits per video. Okay, so this is where you put in your prompts. So you can now go to ChatGPT. I've prepared this prompt. You can just go to ChatGPT to give you a prompt, and if you can copy it, when you copy it, you paste it here. Okay, so we're now going to wait for the video to generate. If you have anything you want to edit, you can also edit the prompts. So I have a video on how to generate a prompt. The video will be available, the link will be available at the top of this video. Okay, so when you are done with editing and everything, you can now send, and you are going to wait for the video to generate. As you can see, it's currently generating.
A few moments later.
Alright, so our video is ready. Let us play and see.
Baba, wetin happen? Your IG don't blow like gas. Clients full everywhere. Now AI they use now, bros.
So Baba, that is our video. You can now proceed to go and copy the second prompts from ChatGPT. Okay, so when you copy it, you do the same process. You paste it in the video. Okay, you paste it there. So when you paste it, you also wait for it to generate it. Remember, you can also edit and do other things. So you are waiting for the video.
A few moments later.
Now our video is ready. Let us go and check. You can see I've generated all the videos that we need. I've generated all the videos. So this is how you will do consistently to generate all your videos. And when you are done, you can click on download and download the original size. Okay, so when you are done, you can now copy everything to your CapCut. You open everything on your CapCut to finish the job. That is where you can complete the remaining job. Okay, so guys, I believe that you can now generate video on Google Flow for free, and you can generate up to 50 videos if you are using that 20 credits, Veo 3 20 credits. So these are results.
Baba, wetin happen? Your IG don't blow like gas. Clients full everywhere. Now AI they use now, bros.
I just paid 2K. I learned everything: voiceover, avatar video, promo, all the AI tools where I use. Now free.
Guy, plug us now. We say want learn this AI something.
No wahala. I will give you the link.
No dull. All of us na AI.
DM now with just 2k rupees. Make you use AI, promote your hustle. Sharp.
I believe you have learned one or two things in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next one. Bye for now.